Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Now let's move on to page number 70. All of you open page number 70 and write down date. In this page, till the question number 4, we have to compare the numbers by using lesser than, greater than or equal to sign. Children, whenever you are comparing, always go in for the smaller number. Check the smaller number and write the appropriate sign for that, and everything will be correct. Now let's move on to the first question, that is compare the numbers and put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. Here first question is 33 and 456. Here 33 is a 2-digit number and 456 is a 3-digit number. When we compare a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number, 2-digit number is always less than the 3-digit number. So write down less than symbol. So this pointed side should point to the smaller number. Here also 2-digit number and the 3-digit number. 2-digit number is less than the 3-digit number. Now next, here both are 3-digit numbers. So compare the hundreds place first. In hundreds place, here we have 5, here also 5. Then both digits are same. Move on to the tens place. Here we have 8. Here also in tens place we have 8. So next move for the ones place. Here we have 7 and here we have 4. Now which digit is small? Is it 7 or 4? It is 4. So write greater than symbol. The pointed side should point to the smaller number. That is 587 is greater than 584. Now next, 458 and 458 both are equal. So write down equal to sign. 458 is equal to 458. Here the next question, 75 and 459. Here it is a 2-digit number, here it is a 3-digit number. So 2-digit number is always smaller than the 3-digit number. 75 is less than 459. The next sum you try, children. Now let's move on to the second question. Compare the numbers and put the correct sign. Here they are given two numbers, that is 258 and 145. Here compare the hundreds place first, because both are 3-digit number. We have to compare the hundreds place. Here 2 is 100, 2 in 100 place. Here 1 is in hundreds place. So which digit is small? Is it 1 or 2? It is 1. So write down greater than sign. 258 is greater than 145. Now let's move on to the second question. The numbers given are 752 and 725. Here both are 3-digit numbers. We have to compare the hundreds place. Both are having 7 in their hundreds place. So compare the tens place. It is 5 and 2. Now which digit is small here? 2 is small. So write down greater than sign. Here the pointed side should point to the smaller number. Now let's move to the next question. Here we have 265 and 354. Both are 3-digit number. Compare the hundreds place. Here it is 2 and here it is 3. 2 is less than 3. So less than sign. Next 452 and 452. Both the numbers are equal. So write down equal to in between these two numbers. 252 is equal to 452 is equal to 452. Now the remaining two sums you try, children. Now let's move on to the third question. Compare the numbers and put the correct sign. Here we have the first question, 124 and 149. Here both are 1 in hundreds place. So compare the tens place. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. 2 is less than 4. So less than 124 is less than 149. Now let's move on to the second question. It is 514 and 532. Both are having 5 in their hundreds place. So compare the tens place. It is 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3. 514 is less than 532. Now the third question is 254 and 269. Here in hundreds place we have 2, so compare the tens place. 5 and 6, it is 5 here and 6 in the next number, so 5 is less than 6. Let's move to the next question. Here we have 845 and 865. Here 8 in hundreds place. Now compare the tens place. Here it is 4 and here it is 6. 4 is less than 6. The next two numbers you try, children. Children, this fourth Roman, compare the numbers and put the correct sign. You try on your own, children. Now let's move on to this fifth question. That is, tick the greatest number and cross the smallest number. The numbers given are 124, 458, 954, 785 and 456. These are the 5 numbers they have given. In that, which is the greatest number? Here all are 3-digit numbers. Compare the hundreds place. Here it is 1, 4, 9, 7 and 4. Now which is greatest digit in this? It is 9. So tick this, 954. This is the greatest number. Now in the remaining 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? Here it is 1. So cross. This is the smallest number, 120. Here the 5 given numbers are 258, 459, 652, 354 and 951. Out of this we have to tell which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Here all are 3-digit numbers. Now compare the hundreds place. Here it is 2, 4, 6, 3 and 9. 9 is the greatest number. So 951 is the greatest number, and in this 2 is smallest digit, so 258 is the smallest number. Cross out. Now let's move on to the next question. It is 147, 852, 964, 532 and 456. All are 3-digit numbers. Here also compare the hundreds place. Here in hundreds place, which is the biggest digit? It is 9. So tick this 964. It is the greatest number. Next, here 1 is the smallest digit. Cross this. 147 is the smallest number. Next sum you try, children. All of you open page number 71 and write date, children. Here is the heading. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. The meaning of ascending order is arranging the numbers from small to big. The first question we have is 478, 512 and 356. These are the numbers. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now here all are 3-digit numbers. Compare the hundreds place. Here it is 4, 5 and 3. Now which is small? 3 is small, so 356 is the first small number. Next is 478, 478 and last is 512. Strike out 512 and write in the blank 512. Now let's move to the second question. The numbers we have is 459, 654 and 523. All are 3-digit numbers. Compare the hundreds place. Here it is 4, 6 and 5. First, which is the greatest smallest digit? 4 is smallest, so strike out 459 and write in the blank. Next comes 523. Strike out 523 and write in the blank, second blank. Last comes 654. Write 654 in the last blank. The next sum you try, children. Now let's move on to the second heading, that is arrange the given numbers in descending order. The meaning of descending order is arranging the numbers from big to small. Here the numbers given are 457, 452, 145. Here all are 3-digit numbers. In a 3-digit number we have to compare the hundreds place. Here it is 4, 4 and 1. Here which digit is big? 4 is big, but we have 2 4s here, so compare the tens place. Here it is 5 and 5, both are same. So now compare the ones place. Here it is 7 and here it is 2. So 7 is big. 457 is the first big number. Next is 452, and last is 145. Let's move on to the second question. The numbers given are 965, 425 and 325. Here compare the hundreds place 9, 4 and 3. Now which is big digit? 965 is biggest. Next comes 425. Next is 325. Now next sum you try, children. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.